Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds and the beauty of nature is our canvas. Join Rosie on an exhilarating journey as she delves into the awe inspiring world of mountains adorned with trunk trees. From the towering peaks to the winding trails, Rosie's artistic vision transforms these landscapes into vibrant masterpieces, each stroke of her brush echoing the whispers of the wilderness. With passion and precision, Rosie captures the grandeur of the mountains and the strength of the trunk trees, infusing her artwork with a sense of wonder and reverence for the natural world. Every mountain holds a story, and every trunk tree whispers secrets of resilience and growth. Through my art, I aim to share these tales and inspire others to appreciate the majesty of nature. Join Rosie on her artistic adventures as she unveils the untamed beauty of mountains adorned with trunk trees. Subscribe now and embark on a journey of creativity and exploration. Thank you very much.